If you are working in MNC company and you think AI is not your department, then this video will change your mind in next 3 minutes. Let's be clear, this is not only for coders. Whether you are in support, testing, delivery, HR and even non-IT background and you are trying to switch your career, AI is now touching every single role. Your company already knows this. That's why you are seeing AI upskilling emails suddenly everywhere. Here is the simple version. Companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro have already given AI tool like Microsoft Copilot to over 3 lakhs plus employees. That means your colleague sitting next to you is probably already using it daily life for emails, reports, even documentation. So when your company says learn AI skills, they don't mean become a data scientist. They mean you can use AI tool inside your daily work to do work fast and in a better way to save your time. Here's where most people go wrong. Everyone is rushing to complete AI certificates. There are over 400 plus online certificates right now available. But here the truth. Only one in the four recruiters actually check your certificate. What they check state is proof. Did you actually use AI to solve a real problem? Did you automate any one report? Save time on one task? This one small proof is worth more than 5 random certificates sitting on your LinkedIn profile. So what should you do this week? You need to complete two steps. Step number one, open your own company learning platform. Most people never even open it. Many companies now directly connect AI learning milestone to your appraisal and payment movement. And point number two, pick one small task you do every week and try using an AI tool to do it faster. That's your proof of work. Simple as that. AI is not going to replace you overnight, but it is becoming the new basic skill. Just like Excel was years ago, the people getting promoted now are the ones showing real results, not just collecting badges. If this made sense, hit like, comment your company name below and subscribe the channel. In next video I will talk you how we can automate our daily task